Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Easuny Magnetic Silicone Band for Apple Watch. If you're looking for a sleek, reliable, and versatile replacement band, this one might just catch your eye. The Easuny Band is designed with both style and security in mind. Made entirely from durable silicone, it's lightweight and comfortable, making it ideal for all-day wear. The standout feature here is the dual security system. The band uses upgraded N54 magnets, which provide a 50% increase in magnetic force compared to traditional magnetic bands, and pairs this with a safe clasp mechanism for an added layer of protection. This means your Apple Watch stays firmly in place whether you're running, cycling, or doing high-intensity workouts. You won't have to worry about it slipping or coming loose, which is a huge plus for anyone active. Compatibility is another strong point. The Easuny Band works with a wide range of Apple Watch models, from Series 1 all the way through Series 11, including the SE generations and all Ultra models. Sizes cover 38mm to 49mm, so whether you have a smaller wrist or prefer the larger Ultra watches, there's a fit available. The magnetic clasp allows for micro adjustments, giving you a snug, customized fit without the hassle of traditional buckles or pin systems. The design leans toward elegance while keeping a sporty appeal. With a slim 20mm profile, it feels less bulky than many other silicone bands, which makes it suitable for both casual and professional settings. You can wear it to the gym, a business meeting, or even a dinner date without it looking out of place. It comes in a variety of colors, letting you match it to your style or even coordinate with other accessories. Installing the band is straightforward. It slides into the Apple Watch lugs just like any official band, and the magnetic closure snaps into place with ease. Removing it is just as simple, making it convenient for swapping out bands depending on your mood or outfit. The silicone material is also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about sweat, rain, or a quick dip in the pool. Overall, the Easuny Magnetic Silicone Band combines functionality, comfort, and style. Its dual security system, broad compatibility, and sleek design make it a strong contender in the world of Apple Watch accessories. If you're seeking a band that stays secure during intense activity but also looks good in everyday life, this one is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.